Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will talk about switch case statement in Python. So if you have came across languages like C Sharp or C++, then you would have seen the switch case statement which is extensively used. But in Python, before version 3.10, there was no such concept, and the only way to implement switch case was using either the dictionary or using the classes. But after 3.10, which was released just few months back, the switch case statement is possible. So I will quickly show you why we need switch case. So switch case statement is like a replacement of your if else statement, and it makes your code more readable and easier to maintain, especially when you need to deal with so many conditions. So for today's session, I am going to use idle as my ID because this is the one which is having 3.10.1. You can see on the top. So this is the version we need. And what I am going to do today is first I will go ahead and define a function. Say get string from number. Let's put using if. Okay. And here I am taking n as a parameter. And what I'm going to do is I'm saying if n equal to 1, if the value of n is equal to 1, then go ahead and print ONE. Okay, else if n equal 2, then go ahead and print 2. So similarly, if you have more cases, you can definitely go ahead and implement it. And the last one, let's cut short it here by using the else statement. And here I'm saying if none of these conditions are meeting, then we will say bad input. Okay, now if I have to use this function, what I can do is I can quickly go here and say 2. And it will give me the output as 2. And let's say if I'm giving a number as 45, then you will get the output as bad input. So this is how we implement if condition. Now I will show you how we can achieve the same result using switch case. So let's create another function, and you're using switch. So let the parameter be the same, which is n. And here what I will be doing, here we need to use the keyword match, and then we need to provide the parameter what you want to evaluate against. So I want to compare n, and let's say if n is 1, so case is 1, then we can go ahead and print 1. Okay, let's say if case is 2, then go ahead and print 2. And this is the way how we can handle default case. So here we need to just put underscore print bad input. Now it's time to make a call. So I will take this here and I will supply 2. So you can see that the same thing whatever we did using if, we can achieve the same result with switch statement also. Let's say if I'm giving 54 here, so we'll get bad input. So this is how you can interchange. If you want, you can go with switch. If you want, you can go with if. It's completely on the developer, which is like more readable and maintainable for them. So I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time. Keep watching.